Hello, Blizzard.
Hello, Sidious. Can I tell you something?
Of course, my best friend.
You suck, and you're not even cool.
What did you just say?
I said you suck, and you're not even cool.
Say that one more time, and there will be consequences.
You suck, and you're not even cool, and you're
Okay,
stupid.
that's this. I am done with you.
Whoa, chill.
No, you're gonna die.
Bro,
you die
it
right
was a
here,
joke.
you son of a
It's not
busset.
that serious.
Oh, ha, ha, ha.
Don't want to die. Ow,
Die,
wow.
you stupid idiot. How dare you call me stupid?
Wait, not in the heat.
Oh no, I kill my only best friend. Whatever.